Canoe. Yeah, well done, Captain. Yeah, that's the spirit. Show them. Right. Yeah, that's the spirit. Go, 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 go. Go, Baptista, go.
We'll be heading to Spain for Africa qualifiers. So we've been training a lot. I think we've done like almost 7 months of training. Even if we got this situation of Corona, we've still got a lot of time to train because we were not working. So we got a lot of time to train. And I think we ready to face the other team as well.
The federation imekuwa poa, wametusaidia na we want to repay them back by doing our best there.
Senegal, it's a bit hard for C1 mostly, Canoe 1, and I'm doing C1 as well, and I think that's the biggest challenge we have. Senegal, they are good in it.